Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. I am HollyLynora, and today's video we're doing beginner, oops, sorry, I gotta fix myself in my chair. We are doing basic beginner brows. Now I've got a full face on. Am I going anywhere? No, but do I love putting on makeup? Yes, and playing with cool hair pieces. Isn't this one cute? Anyways, so I decided why not do like a beginner how-to on brows. Clearly mine are not done. I've got everything done but the brows. So let's get into the video. If you're new, hi, hello. It would mean so much to me if you would subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button. Also, once again, excuse my voice. Seems to be getting a little bit better, but every now and then you hear like a crack or a squeak or whatever. Just ignore that. Not sick. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are my brows. They're not super thin, but they're also not very thick, very full like some other very blessed people have. Just, you know, full brows on their own, just walking around with no help. Lucky people. Anyways, these are my brows. Clearly, they do need, you know, some brushing. They need some filling in. They need a little bit of shape added to them. And I'm just going to show you my easy peasy, like nothing complicated. This is just to give you that full, basic brow. Like, this is not a super defined, super going on the red carpet brow look. This is just your basic 101 brow routine. Super easy, super simple. Let's get into it. First things first. Guys, brush out your brows. It's your hair. Like, you would brush out your hair every morning. Go ahead. So my mirror's down here, so I'm going to be looking down here, but I'll try to situate it so you can see. Okay, I hope that's a little better. But yes, brush out your brow hair just like you would your actual hair on top of your head. Brows deserve love too, guys. And also, you do not have to buy a Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil to do this. These guys you can get from the dollar store, from Dollar General, Walmart. I think even Ingles has them. Like, they're just basic little spoolies. You can use them more than once. Inexpensive. You get a whole bag of them. So go get you a brush. There are so many different brow products. It's ridiculous. So this routine, I'm just going to keep it as easy and as simple as possible, and I'm not going to show you and overwhelm you with all the things that you could use. I think these are the most basic tools to help you just to get started. This bad boy is from Urban Decay. It is the Brow Blade. It has one side that is an ink stain, very much like a fine tipped pen. And then this guy is the pencil. It is a little more thick. You can spin it in and out if you wish. And mine is in the, oh, it's waterproof. And mine is in the shade Taupe Trap. One of the most important things that I think people overlook when they are teaching about brows is the color that you get when you are purchasing your brow products. You're going to I get the most boring, close to ugly brown that you could possibly get. If you're going for natural brows, I mean, there's barely any, like, look at that. I'm just trying to fill in my brows to give them some definition, give them a little bit of shape. That's all I'm doing. I'm not making them look fancy. So please get the right color for you and your brows and your hair. If you're a blonde, please don't get like midnight black. I mean, you can, but your call. Okay, brows are brushed. I'm going to take the pencil side of this, and I'm just going to outline the bottom of my brow and define the bottom part of that arch here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Very light strokes. And I'm going to elongate the tail end. You see that? And then with the top part, I'm going to leave the inner part alone where it feathers out just on its own. I'm going to leave that alone for now and start here and then shape the top part of my brow and connect that tail. And now I'm going to fill it in. Yeah, that looks really funky. But don't worry, we are going to use the ink side of the brow blade and very lightly. See, I'm holding this almost at the end of the pencil. I'm very lightly just like flicking onto my brows. Next, I'm going to take this little guy from Glossier. This is the Boy Brow. It has color to it. This is not gel. I'm going to wipe off the excess. There are fibers in here that are going to create a more fuller brow for you. So I'm definitely going to brush off the excess, and I'm very lightly just going to kind of bounce and go upwards on my brow. So it appears to have more hair. And of course this goes by much quicker when I'm not talking. So this really is easy, I promise. And look at that, we already look better. This is the best brow gel I have ever laid my hands on. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills or ABH, and it is a clear brow gel. Now, some people put this on right after they brush their brows. I've done that too. You don't absolutely have to do that. It's really just on your preference, since this is a gel and it's going to hold your brows together. I put it on after, most of the time. After I've given my brow that shape and the color that I want and feathered it how I like it, then I give it the gel to hold it. I kind of treat it as the setting spray of brows. And I'm telling you, this stuff, once you put this on your brows aren't going nowhere, anywhere. This stuff is a dream. And I like my inner brow to be feathered out and then kind of pushed down, slowed down, going into its shape of the arch, and then laid all the way down. Really quickly, I will do this brow in fast forward and we will conclude the video. Okay, you guys, that was it for my quick and easy brow routine for basic brows. If you want to know a little bit about more precise brow, more dramatic brow maybe, let me know in the comments below. If not, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay safe out there. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.